The Parisian business Parti Pousseur, which offers networked indoor gardens, recently introduced its newest product, Molto. Urban families can grow up to 50 plants concurrently using Molto, a connected vegetable garden furniture system. The connected Scandinavian furniture can grow salads, herbs, zucchini, eggplant, squash, beans, peas, radishes, and microgreens, making it a genuinely healthy vegetable garden. Molto's hydroponic ebb and flow technology, which is being employed for the first time in a consumer product, according to Parti Pousseur, is 200% more productive than existing home gardens. Salads grow in size by a factor of 2 with ebb and flow, while tomato and bell pepper plants can yield up to 3 times as much fruit. Molto is a piece of furniture with a beechwood and metal frame that comes in 1, 2, or 3 levels, created by the renowned designer Xavier High. The urban gardener installs pods to house the plants in the containers at the bottom of each level, which has a soft light at the top. In just a few weeks, the Molto crowdsourcing campaign for Parti Pousseur received over €450.0 in pre-orders, which is evidence of the growing demand for food self-production. The Kickstarter campaign states that Molto is available in 4 variations. Plants for the multi-countertop, 15 to 20 to be placed on a buffet or a kitchen counter. Price at retail, €399 or $449. $15 to 20 plants at Molto 1 level to be placed on the floor. Price at retail, for $995 for 9 approx. Multiple 2 levels at the beginning of the piece, 30-40 plants to be placed on the floor. Price at retail, €749 or $809. And the last is, from 45 to 60 plants, Molto 3 levels to be placed on the floor. Price at retail, €999 or $1,099.